Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sam and I'm a fashion and lifestyle content creator, and today I am going to show you my new Balenciaga purchase. I'm just so obsessed with Balenciaga at the moment. Like, it's all I really think about is Balenciaga, or looking Balenciaga-esque. It really just feeds my soul. If you're into it, you're into it. If you're not, maybe don't watch this video. Recently I did a video of my other two Balenciaga sunglasses, which are the chrome Swift ones, which everyone seems to have, and the black expander sunglasses. And since then I've seen these sunglasses come out, which are very, very new. So that is unlike me, because I always seem to take months and months, even years, to come around to like actually spending the money on something. And I realise I can't do that all the time if I'm a fashion influencer on Instagram. I love saving money, so if I can get it secondhand or in the sale, then perfect. But you know what? I need to keep on trend. So 2 days ago on Sunday, I went and had a really cute day in Mayfair. Just got myself brunch, had a little stroll and a coffee, and tried on some clothes in Balenciaga and tried these sunglasses on, and I couldn't leave without them. So I'm going to show you them today. Here is the receipt, and inside we've got how much they cost, which was, I don't know if you can see, £450, which is a lot for sunglasses. I can't really believe that I've spent that much money on sunglasses. With Balenciaga, I don't know if you're buying like the best quality stuff, but you're buying the coolest stuff and the most futuristic and the stuff that is gonna, I don't know, really elevate your look, I think, and really stand out. Like, all my Balenciaga sunglasses that I wear, like, they really create the look. They turn heads. Whenever I'm wearing them, people are staring, and you know what? I love it. So these come in this pouch. They do not come in a hard case because of the nature of the sunglasses. It's got Balenciaga printed in there, and it's really soft and cushy, just to protect your new £450 sunglasses. So here they are. They are called the Wirecat sunglasses, and I've got them in the white colourway. They didn't have them in the black when I went to the store, and I kind of wish they did so I could compare, but I have the black expander ones. I can get black sunglasses from anywhere. These I just thought were really different, and I also have a white Balenciaga Neo Kagol bag coming in white, so I thought I can match. Anyway, here we have the sides. They wrap around like this, and we have Balenciaga, I don't know if you can see that, Balenciaga in the middle. That's the only bit of Balenciaga branding, but it's quite obvious that they're Balenciaga anyway. You might be thinking, how on earth is that going to fit on your face? And yeah, they don't until you pull out the arms, which are these wire arms, which, let me show you, just got all the stuff like Balenciaga and all the little logos and signs and whatever you'd have in sunglasses, codes and whatnot. And yeah, it's just these thin wires, that's what they're called, the cat wire sunglasses, that slide in and out. So here they are on. Usually I like to put my sunglasses like a little bit lower on my face, but with these I think you keep them right up here because they look really good. I'm really obsessed with them. They are really comfortable and light. Like, you can barely feel that you've got anything on your ears. And yeah, they're just really, really nice. They obviously come round here and sit very close to your face, so you don't get a lot of sun or light coming in around the sides, say if you're driving or whatever, which are really nice. They're very actually practical. And yeah. One thing I will say is, if you like to take your sunglasses off and put them on your head, which I do all the time, it's, unless you like fiddle it around and put them, like, kind of secure them behind your ear, it doesn't really work. So you'd have to just take them off, and then also you can't really put them anywhere like you would usual sunglasses. You need to put them back in the case. So Practicality wise, not so practical, but is fashion always practical? No. Do I look good? Yes. That's the tea. What do you guys think of these sunglasses? Do you think they're worth £450? Do you like them? Do you think they look crazy? Let me know in the comments. Just to remind you of my other sunglasses and to compare them, we have these which all the girlies are wearing, and you can see what these look like. Like, I used to think these were big and like very cat-eye and obnoxious. Then you have these. Like, these are obnoxious. You can also compare them with the expander sunglasses, which you can see. These are more similar than the chrome ones, because these are a more cat-eye vibe, which are really nice too. I'm thinking I'm gonna sell these actually, because I really love them, but I just think with these, I prefer these to them. These were a big purchase, so I'd rather, you know, recuperate some money with these, and then these I think I will always keep, because I really freaking love them. They're awesome. They're like a moment in history, I feel. Like, you could not go on Instagram or TikTok and not see these for like a long period of time. You still can't. So the fact that I have the real Balenciaga ones, you know, it's good stuff. Just gonna show you guys what they look like outside. Like, I just love them. Let's show you in the sun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of unboxing and review. I've only had them for a few days, so I could only give you my preliminary thoughts, but what is there to really discover? They're amazing. So the takeaways are, they look incredible, they're very expensive, they're very comfortable, they're very functional, just because it really blocks out all the light, all of that stuff, but not very practical, because you can't put it on top of your head really, and also you can't really put them anywhere when you're not using them unless you have the case with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, which would be really nice. So have a good day guys, I'll catch you soon. Peace out.